Imagine you're visiting a bank and you see the vault where all the money is stored. Now, instead of physical locks, the vault is protected by layers of complex digital security. This is what online banking cybersecurity is all about, protecting your financial vault in the digital world. Here's how it works. 1. Encryption. Think of encryption as turning your sensitive information into secret codes. When you transfer money or check your balance, your data travels through the internet in a coded form so that even if hackers intercept it, they can't read it without a special key. 2. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Imagine you're entering a high-security building. The guard checks your ID, and then you have to input a unique code sent to your phone to get in. Online banking does the same with 2FA. It's an extra layer of protection to make sure it's really you logging in, even if someone steals your password. 3. Firewalls. A firewall is like a security guard standing at the gate of the bank. It decides which data can pass through to the bank system and which is blocked, preventing hackers from getting in. 4. AI and machine learning. Banks use AI like a digital detective. It constantly watches for suspicious activities. If your account suddenly tries to transfer large sums of money or log in from a faraway country, the system raises an alert. It's like the digital equivalent of a bank clerk saying, "Hey, is this normal for you?" 5. Biometric security. This is like using your fingerprint or face scan to unlock your phone, but for banking. It ensures that even if someone gets your login details, they still can't access your account without your unique biological traits. 6. Regular security updates. Banks regularly update their systems to patch any security loopholes, kind of like fixing broken locks on the vault door before anyone can exploit them. Online banking cybersecurity is all about building these layers of protection so that your money and personal data remain safe, even in a world full of cyber threats.